Welcome to Be Gluten Free TV. I'm Bea. What we're going to cook today is something that is so easy you won't believe it. There are two things that matter to me when I'm cooking. One of them is that it must be easy, but secondly, and probably most importantly, it absolutely must be healthy. Pancakes for me were always in the too hard basket. They were too messy, they took too long, and really they weren't enough of a reward for the effort. What I'm going to show you today is the most delicious, the easiest, and possibly the healthiest pancake recipe that you'll come across. Ingredients, we're looking for about 3 bananas, and these bananas must be spotty. The spottier they are, the sweeter they are, and you won't need to add any other sweetness. We need eggs, and I always recommend organic and free range, and we're looking at 3 eggs for this recipe. And almond flour. Now, almond flour is pretty easy to come across in an organic shop or supermarket, or you can make your own simply by blending some fresh almonds. As quickly as you can, slide it under and then fold it over. Look at the height of those pancakes. That's awesome. So there we have it. Gluten-free, grain-free, sugar-free, amazingly delicious banana pancakes. Add whatever seasonal fruit or toppings are your favourite, and seriously, within 5 minutes you're eating. Enjoy.
What are you doing? Go online now at www.glutenfreezone.net.au and find out how to be gluten free.